This is the third exercise. It's more complicated than the previous two, and you can skip it for the moment if you find it too difficult, and come back to it maybe when you finish the program. You'll find it much easier. It's a double rhythm. Single rhythm on guitar would be where you have down, up for a beat. Double rhythm is where you've doubled that. So you would have, instead of 1, you would have 1. Usually played much faster in songs. Very, very fast. So here the accent will be on the first beat and the third beat. I'll do it slowly to give you a chance to get it. And you have to be able to play it and count it exactly on time if you want to be able to play guitar with other musicians. This is it done very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is it done faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. And this is it done faster again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm able to count and play exactly in time, and that's the key. When you're playing with other musicians, you don't count out loud, but at least in your head you will be able to find some way, a bit like foot tapping, to be able to blend in with their exact timing.